Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I got a new HyperOS 2.0 global based ROM for my Redmi Note phone. So today in this video I am going to talk about this ROM features, customizations and the lackings of this ROM, and the last I will show you how you guys can install this ROM on your phone. So let's start the video. So first of all, if I go to the settings panel, I can see Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0 settings panel, and the settings panel is also refined and the bouncy effect are also working. You can see the bouncy effect. If I go to the my device, you can see this is HyperOS 2.0.2.0 version, and this version is on top of Android 15. And when you boot up this ROM, you will got some unwanted app. Just delete this app. After that, this ROM is very good and easy to use, and you must to off the memory extension options, because when you on this, it will by default it will be 2 GB. Just off this memory extension option. After that, you will get a good RAM management and the performance is just boost up, and there has no issues on fingerprint and face lock. All the things are working perfectly. See the new personalization option. If I go to the personalization, you can see the new personalization option, and the audio option. You will if I want it, you can see you will get always option, and you can easily schedule as you want. So this is good. And in lock screen customization, if we go to the lock screen, I can see the AOD and the bouncy effect are also working perfectly. Hold to the lock screen. What I can see the lock screen customization. The lock screen customization is working perfectly. You can easily use this. I can see I am using this, and the depth effect is also perfectly working, so there is no issues on the ROM, and all the things are locking customization is working perfectly, so there is no issues on that. And here you can see the Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0 launcher, and the launcher is also working, so there is no issues. And you will get the many brand new widgets, and you can easily use these widgets, so there is no issue on the widget section. You will get the super wallpaper on this option on this one. If I go to the personalization, and you can see the Xiaomi super wallpaper. Super wallpaper is also perfectly working, so there is no issues on there. And you will get the new HyperOS 2.0 wallpaper, so this is very good. This ROM has Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0 control center, and with the control center is also refined, and it has a cool animation, and this is very good. And this ROM has a Dolby Atmos feature. The Dolby Atmos feature is also perfectly working. When you on this Dolby Atmos feature, your audio is just boost up, and you will feel the difference between the audio quality, and this ROM's audio quality is much better than other ROM. If I go to the gallery option, you can see Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0 some AI features. You will got these AI features on there. You can easily use this, and all the things are also perfectly working. You can see the onto the benchmark score on this ROM. I think this ROM's performance is really good and better than others HyperOS 2.0 ROM. I do not face any kind of lag issues on this ROM. You can see the smoothness of this ROM. The ROM is super smooth. You can see the smoothness of this ROM. If I talk about this ROM's gaming performance, if I go to the gaming, this ROM has Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0 game turbo, and you will get the performance option, and you can easily customize it. And in game turbo, you will get the voice changer option, so you can easily use this voice changer, so there is no issues. And the game performance of this ROM is very good. I don't face any kind of lag issues on. But when you play a long time gaming, then you will feel some heating issue, but this is normal. And the gaming performance is really good and awesome, and the daily performance is also good. In daily drivers, you will get a good battery life on this ROM, so there is no issue. And most important, this ROM has no battery drain at night, so this is very good. And this is global based ROM, but you will be more impressed because this ROM has Xiaomi's brand new HyperOS 2.0 dialer and MIMO. You can see the dialer and MIMO is also perfectly working, so there is no issues on the mirror and MIMO. So you can easily use the mirror with call recording. Okay, and this ROM is almost a feature pack ROM. This ROM has no issues on there, and I think those who guys needs a good ROM with HyperOS 2.0, obviously the ROM those who needs a good performance, and most important, those who guys needs mid-alert and message app. This ROM is good, and this ROM is also global based ROM, so you can easily use any kind of apps as you want. So there is no issue, and the security system is also improved on this ROM. You can see the security options there. You just press and hold, and you can see this ROM is the security system is also improved. And the many guys told me the ROM was certified or not. This is a custom ROM, so you will not get certified built in, but you can certify the ROM by flashing a module. This ROM is not perioded, so this is very good. And the camera performance of this ROM is also good. You can see the camera performance is also good, and the camera interface are also brand new, and you will get the 4K up to 4K 30 fps option is also there. And the picture quality was also good and refined, and this ROM's picture quality is really decent. And I new record video at 1080p 30 fps or 60 fps. You will get the EIS option, which is very good. And this ROM's camera performance is really good, so must take. And at the last, who will use this ROM? Those who guys need a good performance from a custom ROM and need a good gaming performance, but when you play a long time game, you will get some heating issue, but it's normal. But the game performance and the performance of this ROM is very good, and this ROM has, most importantly, this ROM has no lag issues on this ROM, so this is very good. And now I am talk about how you guys can install this ROM on your phone. This is a fast boot ROM, so you need to PC or laptop to install this ROM on your phone, but you need to remove all kind of password, fingerprint and account from your phone. So other process I will show you in my laptop. So begin to the laptop.
So after coming up to the laptop, you need to download the main ROM file. This is the main ROM file, and extract this file. After extracting this file, you will got 3 files, and you need to download this ADB setup file. Just install this ADB setup file on your laptop or PC. I will provide all the link in my description box, so go and check it out. And you need to download this Mi Flash tool. I will also provide this link in my description box. Just install this Mi Flash tool driver from here, double tap, and you can see the link driver, and install all the drivers in your laptop or PC. So now you just connect your phone with your laptop or PC at fast boot mode. To doing it, press the volume down and power button at the same time, and your phone will automatically boot into the fast boot mode. See, so I'm connected it. Now you click the extract file, and now you click on underscore flash. Just double tap it, and a new pop window will appear. Click the more info and click run anyway. And you can see now you just type Y and hit enter, and the ROM will starting installing on your phone. It take 5 to 10 minutes, so wait some moment. So I can see guys, the ROM is fully flashed on my phone, and the installation process has been completed. So now you can type any key from your laptop, and the pop-up window will automatically close. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do not understand something, message me on Telegram. I will try to help you guys, and I will request you guys to subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and you can also join my Telegram channel. So thanks for watching this video.